Good morning, everybody. It is no longer the prime camping season, at least not for me, so I figured it'd be the perfect time to make this gift guide series. I've got 3 videos in this series, gifts under $50, under $100, and under $200, so make sure to check out each one depending on your budget. These products are mostly items that I have, use, and love, but I did include a few other items that I don't have, but that I have my eye on. Alright, let's get into it. Leading off, we've got this hammock from Rincon. Rincon is a small company based in Washington that makes great hammocks, and a hammock is always a great gift for a camping lover. We keep ours in the truck at all times. Anyone who goes camping could always use a headlamp. I have a ton of headlamps, but this is currently my favorite. It has an extremely bright spotlight, but also has this wide beam light. The coolest part, it has a hands-free mode available. For around $20, this headlamp would make a great gift. Another great gift is this Spork Set. These camping sporks give you a fork and a knife on one side and a spoon on the other. They're lightweight, so perfect for bringing backpacking. Anyone who loves camping would be happy to have some fresh sporks. Unfortunately, I don't own one of these yet, but it's on my list. Stanley with a classic camping thermos. This is rated to keep liquids hot or cold for 24 hours and keeps ice for up to 5 days. I don't know anyone who wouldn't want a Stanley thermos. It took me a few years to figure out the perfect way to make coffee while camping, but I finally did, and it's with this collapsible pour-over kit. This set comes with 2 drippers and 80 filters for under $15. I keep one in the truck at all times and even bring the second one with me when we travel. I would highly recommend this for any camping coffee lover. I took a flyer on this a couple years ago and I'm glad I did. It's a lightweight, inexpensive, easy to set up place to sit. It's of course not as comfortable as a camp chair with a backrest, but it comes in handy all the time. Getting dirty and going camping go hand in hand, so having these clean wipes available can save the day. We've used these many a times after a day out in the woods and it feels like a luxurious shower. These would make a perfect gift for a camping lover. Unless you're trying to avoid all electronics while camping, having a small portable charging bank is the perfect way to keep your devices charged while off the grid. Something like this is small and lightweight, simple enough to carry, but will keep your phone, camera, or whatever else you need charged. Mine are a few years old, but I would buy this one if I was going to get a new one today. These are essential for car camping. We bring 2 of these for a total of 14 gallons on every camping trip. You never know if you'll be able to source your own water, so bringing enough water is extremely important. If you'd prefer a square jug, these are excellent as well. Last but not least, the perfect gift for any camping lover, the Sawyer Mini. For about $20, this could literally and probably has saved lives. Per their website, it kills 99.99999% of bacteria, 99.9999% of all protozoa, and 100% of microplastics. It's rated for up to 100,000 gallons of immediately filtered clean and safe drinking water. It's another one where I can't think of anyone who loves camping who would not want one of these. That's it. Those are my top gift ideas for under about $50. I hope that gave you some ideas. If you did find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Also, be sure to check out the other 2 gift guides for under $100 and under $200. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.